How to change sensitive content settings on Twitter. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your sensitive content settings on Twitter account. Now the process is quite easy, so let me guide you through. What you'll need to do is simply open up Twitter app. You'll get an interface like this. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, once you're logged in, what you need to do is simply tap on the profile icon that you can find at the top left corner of the screen. You can see the profile icon, small one right there at the top left. Simply tap on it and here you'll get varieties of options. At the bottom, you can see settings and support option. Tap on it and head into settings and privacy. Now, once in settings and privacy, you can see the fifth option, privacy and safety, under which you can read manage what information you see and share on Twitter. Simply open this up and here you can see the third option, content you see. Simply tap on it and you can see the display media that may contain sensitive content. What you all need to do to change your sensitive content settings is either enable or disable this switch that you can see at the right hand side beside the display media option. If you toggle this on, you'll be able to view sensitive content. If you toggle this off, you won't be able to view sensitive content. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.